morning, children. We have learned so much in jugs and mugs. Today, I am going to show you an activity which is there in our book. And it is about a story also. A story of a thirsty crow. I am sure you remember that there was a crow who was very thirsty. It was very hot. He wanted to drink water. And he flew and flew in search of water. He saw a pitcher lying on the terrace of a house. He went and perched himself on the pitcher and he peeped in the pitcher. He saw there was water inside the pitcher. He tried to bend and drink some water. But the water was so less and the level was so low. He could not reach the water. Then he thought of a trick. He picked up some pebbles which were lying outside the pitcher and he put them in the pitcher one by one. Slowly and slowly the level of the water rose and it reached his beak and he drank water. Do you remember that story? We have been listening to this story since our childhood. But now, children, I don't have a pitcher, but I have these glasses. And see, I have taken equal amount of water in both the glasses. And I don't have pebbles also, but I have these lemons. Now what I am going to do, I will put the lemons in one of the glass to show how the level of the water will rise up. And I don't have a crow also, children, but I have this bird. This little bird is there in my house. So if it sits here and tries to drink the water, it cannot drink the water. So let us put these lemons and see if the level of the water will rise or not. Okay. See, right now there are no lemons in both the glasses and the water level is exactly the same in both the glasses. Okay, I will drop these lemons one by one in one of the glass and see. Okay, one lemon goes inside, second lemon goes inside, third goes inside, fourth goes inside, and fifth also goes inside. And see, children, the level of the water rises up in this glass and the bird can drink the water. Can you see that the level has risen up? The level has risen because these lemons have taken the space and that is the reason the level of the water has risen up. So children, now you know that the story of the crow and his pebbles is a true story, right? Children, you also try at home. I'm sure you must be having marbles. Those nice shiny glass marbles are there. Or you may be having some other things, some beads or something. You can try this at home. Okay? Try it and see whether level will rise in your glass or not. Enjoy yourself, children. Have a nice time.